welcome back to my channel. My name is Tina. In today's video we are going to be revealing my BOXYCHARM and what I got in this box. But before I jump right to it, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell right next to it. That way you can get notifications whenever I upload new videos, which I do a lot of beauty reviews and tutorials, and I upload each week, so definitely check out my past videos. They are there for you guys. BOXYCHARM. So everyone has been talking about this box for the month of May, and I'm super excited to dig in here and let you guys know all about it. And this was shipped to me today. I basically got it today. Just a disclaimer, I am no way affiliated with BOXYCHARM. I pay with my own money to get this delivered to my house and be surprised on what it is that's inside. So I did see a lot of reviews with this box. So if you guys don't know what BOXYCHARM is, it is a subscription service beauty box, and you do get 4 to 5 full-size products each month, and you pay like around $21 and some change, and you can also customize that and pay in advance for 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, or a year, and depending on what your preference is, you can pay in advance and just keep getting the boxes, which in my case I did the 3-month thing just to see if I like it, and I absolutely love it. I love getting full-sized items for $20, so that is absolutely amazing. So like with any subscription box, you do get a pamphlet. It looks like this. For this month's theme, it's Boxy Bash. So it is BOXYCHARM's birthday month, so you do get an extra item in here. So it's basically 6 items for the month of May. So I do love that they have also included the list of what is inside and also the prices of them. So I really like that. And you get, basically you get more than what you paid for in this box. So let's dig in and I'll let you know what I have here. Alright, so the first thing that I got here from this box is the Cover FX Blurring Primer, and I believe everyone gets this primer. It is a full size, and this one is $38. So basically if you go to Sephora or Ulta, this is gonna cost you $38. So with this one, it is a lightweight, soft focus primer that blurs the appearance of pores, fine lines, and other imperfections, creating a smooth canvas for flawless foundation application. I actually used this today. It does remind me a lot of the Benefit Professional. It makes my skin super smooth and soft, and when I apply my foundation on top of it, it just looks super natural. It creates a really beautiful canvas on the skin. So this is what it looks like. So it has a nice tint to it. So when you apply this, I'm just gonna kind of show you guys what it looks like here, because I have old lady hands. So that's what it looks like. So comparing that to this, look at it. It does blur a lot of that wrinkles or a lot of anything that you may see in there that's not correct. It blurs it out. So it looks super smooth, really nice. So I absolutely love this. And if you're paying $38 for this, might as well just get the box. So the second product that I see in here is the Pretty Vulgar, the Ink Gel Eyeliner. So this is what it looks like. So it looks huge, guys. So this is basically an ink. I'm not sure if this is going to be an ink bottle, but it says it's a gel. So yeah, so it is a gel. And honestly, when I saw this, I thought that this looks so vintage and so pretty. So I just love it. And the sizing of this is 0.2 ounces. I've never used this before, so I am looking forward to trying this out. And yeah, I mean, I am excited. So this says this highly pigmented gel eyeliner provides quick drying application with enriched vitamin C to condition the lids. Its creamy and water resistant formula allows for smooth application that stays in place all day. So if you do order this, I think they sell this at Sephora. It is $24. And honestly guys, I just usually go to my drugstores for a gel liner. I don't really like spending a ton of money for gel liner because the gel liners at the drugstores are basically the same. So, you know, if this was not in the box, I would not even, like, you know, be upset about it. But since it is in the box, you know, I love it. I would love to try it. And yeah, I mean, like, you know, why not, right? So the next product in here are these 3 little brushes in here, and these are from Estetica, and this is called the Estetica Trio series. Comes with an eyeliner brush, a brow spoolie, and a fine tipped eyeliner brush. A convenient 3-in-1 used for a wide variety of looks, for a subtle wing or a dramatic cat eye. Use the brow brush for fuller, more defined eyebrows. So this, they're retailing for $45. I've never seen an Estetica store. I've only seen them on Amazon, so I'm not sure how much they are really. It says here that this retails for $45, and that's kind of expensive for little brushes like these, but you know, hey, why not? So this is really cool, and I love that they've included an eyeliner brush in here. So this is basically perfect for the gel liner. So let's go ahead and take a look, and I'll test this out for you guys. So this includes a nice pointy brush, so you can actually control the brush, and that's awesome. I just dipped this thing very little in there, and look how much ink came out. That's a lot of product. All right, so let's go ahead and try this out. Wow, that is really awesome. Look how that's light, and I just did it like really lightly, and wow, the control of that is amazing. It's like super black, which I love, and it looks matte, so that's awesome. So I'm so excited to try this out now. Yes. And then they also have this little brush in here that is so awesome for when I'm trying to brush my brows. So this is really cool for that. I use a lot of these actually. And then this is also very cool if you do have those powder brows. You can actually use this to dip that. This is more on that thicker side. So that's what it looks like. And yeah, I mean, I like it, and I will definitely use it. All right, so the next product in here, it's called Matte Lip Gloss from Beauty Creations. This is what it looks like. And this one says, Beauty Creations Matte Liquid Lip Gloss is specially formulated to provide full coverage that dries to a seamless, smooth, and matte finish. Its lightweight application is long-wearing for an effortless lip color that complements all skin tones. So this one is $10. And let's go ahead and take a look. This is the collaboration with BOXYCHARM. Ooh, so this is what it looks like. Nice packaging. And this one is called Sweetheart. This is the shade. It has a nice candy scent to it. Oh, that looks really cool. So that's what it looks like. It's like a pinky mauve shade. So this is what it looks like dried. It is matte, but it's not too far from when I swatched it earlier when it was wet. So yeah, so that's what it looks like. It looks really pretty, and I'm definitely looking forward to trying that out because it looks really pigmented. So the next one in here is another brush, and it's the P12 from Estetica. I actually used this already, and I used this to contour my face today, and I absolutely love it. So this is what it looks like. It's kind of dismantled because of the way the packaging when it arrived. But so this one is P12 face brush with synthetic fibers that allows for maximum control. The P12 brush is perfect for creating a seamless look. And this one is costing you $27 if you buy this all by yourself. So that's what it looks like. It's super sturdy. I love the way this contours on my face. It feels super soft. It's not like, you know, stingy or anything like that. So I love it. Alright, so the last product in here, I think this is the bonus product, and this one is a palette, and this is the Pure Sculptor palette, and it has a 4-shade sculpted palette that features 2 high beam highlighters and 2 matte contour shades that will leave skin sculpted to perfection with highly pigmented and buttery formulas. So I actually used this today, and if you do buy this all by yourself, it is going to cost you $30. So I love how it has a nice size mirror in there, and it says here, you are the sculptor of your own destiny. That is really cute. And you get 4 shades in here. 2 of them are your highlighting shades, and the other 2 are your bronzy shades. And the bronzy shades are matte, and the highlighting shades are metallic or shimmery finish. So that's what it looks like. So the 2 shades in here are matte, and the 2 on top are your highlighting shades, which are shimmery shades. So the one thing that I'm going to say here is that if you have a lighter skin tone, this might not work for you, because these 2 bronzy shades are way too dark. Even for my skin tone, I had to really take this very lightly to apply this on my face. But the shimmery shades, they're amazing. I love this shade right here, Originator. And this one could be a little bit darker on me, but it's okay because you can actually use these as eyeshadows. So, I mean, you know, there's no rules with makeup. So this is absolutely amazing. So I'm still gonna use this no matter what. It doesn't have to be just in your face. You can use it in your eyes, and you know, that's absolutely amazing. Okay, so the total of this box for this month is $166, which is a lot of money. So if you're paying $20 a month, and this is basically costing you like at least like $4 to $5 for all of these products that I just showed you, and that's absolutely amazing. And I get it, you don't know what you're gonna get next month, but at the same time, it's so exciting. Also, I just wanted to let you guys know that there is no wait list. So if you guys are interested, I do have a link down in the description box. You can click on that and join. I do get points for it, but if not, that's absolutely fine. You guys can go to the actual website to sign up as well. All right, I will see you guys in my next video. Please do not forget to like, comment, and also subscribe to my channel, and check out my giveaways. I do have a giveaway going on here on this channel. Check them both out. I love you all. Bye.